Hey everyone! Welcome back to Tube, where knowledge is power and learning is fun. In today's video, we're talking about one of nature's most powerful plants, Moringa, also known as the miracle tree. From its leaves to its pods, and even its flowers, Moringa is packed with nutrients that your body will love. So let's break it down and explore the amazing health benefits, the dishes you can make with it, and why it's used all over the world. Moringa leaves. Moringa leaves are rich in vitamins A, C, and E, plus calcium, iron, and protein. They help boost the immune system, improve brain function, reduce inflammation, and even fight fatigue. Great for kids, adults, and breastfeeding moms. Commonly used in dishes like chicken soup, tinola in the Philippines, mung bean stew, smoothies, and teas. Moringa pods, drumsticks, and long green pods known as drumsticks. High in fiber, vitamin C, and potassium. They help improve digestion, reduce blood sugar, and strengthen bones. Often used in Indian curry dishes like sambar, soups and broths, boiled or sautéed with seasonings, moringa flowers, edible small white flowers with a mild, slightly sweet taste. Rich in antioxidants and amino acids. Helps improve lactation in breastfeeding moms and supports cell repair. Can be cooked in omelets, mung bean stews, herbal teas. Where is moringa commonly eaten? Philippines. A staple in home-cooked meals. India, used in traditional medicine and everyday dishes. Africa, known as a miracle tree for fighting malnutrition. Latin America and Caribbean, used in soups and as a natural remedy. Why is it important to eat moringa? Eating moringa regularly helps to strengthen your immune system, boost energy levels naturally, support skin, hair, and bone health, provide essential nutrients especially for kids, seniors, and pregnant women, act as a natural antioxidant and anti-inflammatory. What is done with moringa root? Does it have health benefits too? Yes, the root of the moringa plant also has traditional medicinal uses and can offer some health benefits, but it must be used with caution because it can be toxic or unsafe if not prepared or consumed properly. How is moringa root used? Traditional herbal medicine. The root is often boiled into a decoction, like a herbal tea, to help with joint pain, rheumatism, coughs and colds, urinary problems. Natural energy booster. In some cultures, it's used as a natural tonic to improve blood circulation and boost energy. Digestive cleanser. Traditionally used for detoxifying the body and even as a natural dewormer in some regions. Important warning. Moringa root contains a compound that can act like an abortifacient, which means it may cause miscarriage. It's not safe for pregnant women. It can cause nausea, dizziness, or toxicity if taken in high doses. It's best to consult a doctor or certified herbalist before consuming moringa root, especially in tea or supplement form. Yes, moringa root has health benefits and has been used in traditional medicine for centuries. However, unlike the leaves or flowers, it should not be consumed casually or daily and must be used carefully and with guidance. Pretty impressive, right? Moringa is not just a plant, and it's a natural superfood with benefits from root to flower. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Tube, and tap that notification bell so you won't miss out on more educational and healthy content. And remember, stay curious, stay healthy, and stay smart right here on Tube. See you next time.